MiiCraft is one of the leading manufacturers of 3D printers, and we are devoted to serve accuracy, flexibility, and to provide fast printing experience. MiiCraft printers use unique optical technology to precisely calibrate the light path to produce parts with incredible accuracy. MiiCraft 3D printers are perfect for dental field, producing high-accuracy dental models, removable dies, temporary and surgical guides. Spatial accuracy across the full arch is within 100 micron of the surface. During printing, our peeling technology reduces the peeling force by 2 directions of peeling, in addition to the up and down movements of the printing platform. It is also supported by tilt rotation to reduce the peeling force. The printing parts show incredible service quality and sharpness. MiiCraft printers open to third-party materials and have a partnership with several worldwide leading material vendors with biocompatible FDA/MC certified materials. The broad range of materials available for MiiCraft printers address a wide variety of applications. For example, dental bioprinting, surgical practice, jewelry casting, and industrial applications. The material selections from rubber-like materials to rock materials can all be done by one machine. Based on layer exposures and unique peeling technology, MiiCraft's printing speed can reach 40 mm per hour, and desktop models can finish a platform of 3 to 4 arches in 35 minutes. Consistently produce high-quality results with less time and less efforts. MiiCraft printers, built with advanced, unique optical and peeling technologies, are truly the ideal solutions for 3D printings. For more information, please visit MiiCraft.com.